How would you compare this to other chiropractics? Keep breathing. Look at those reflexes, man. Now, when you get off this table, you're gonna feel lighter.
Much back pain I have, that sharp, and just you felt it pull.
Yeah.
And it's straight.
Yeah, that's right. So I can already tell right now he is very, very, very stiff. Stay even. Does that tighten up in your? Yeah. Yep. Okay. The left one. Drop. Good. Drop. Feel that.
All the way down.
All the way down. All right. Hey guys, this is Dr. Douglas at ChiroPlus in Jackson, Tennessee, and we have Mr. Jim with us here. And Mr. Jim's coming in with some pretty severe low back pain and neck pain. He's rated a 9 out of 10. Been dealing with it for quite a long time. He also has some mid back pain that's a 5 out of 10. So he's got some pain going on. He drives about 100 miles every day in a truck delivering gravel. So, you know, being in that sitting position is very difficult on his low back and neck. And as we were talking, you know, he's played football, so he's got already some traumatic insults to the spine over the years. And but he has had chiropractic care before, but he heard our radio ad on the radio for the manual spinal decompression, the ring dinger. And it kind of perked his ears a little bit. So we're excited for him to experience that. So here's what we're gonna do. I want you to stand right here and face that way. We're gonna check his posture out first here. So Mr. Jim, I'm gonna have you bend your head forward and back. All right, and that feels like it kind of kinks up a bit, doesn't it? All right, this right shoulder's a little bit higher. So if you can kind of come here and look, there you go. Now, we're gonna come over here and look, and he's got a little bit of forward head posture. So his ear should be where this finger is, but it's dropping down to his clavicle. So that's very, very typical in today's world. So go ahead and lay on your stomach. You may want to slip your glasses off that way you don't break them. We've already done his exam. Everything checked out good. He doesn't have any contraindications to getting any chiropractic care done. So I can already tell right now he is very, very, very stiff. He's got some tight muscles. His feet are actually even in this position. Now we're going to come up here. They stay even. Does that tighten up in your? Yeah. So you can tell that's tightening up in his low back. So that's positive knuckles test on both sides of his SI joint. So here's what we're going to do, Mr. Jim. Keep this leg straight. Raise it as high as you can for me. Yep. Okay, drop it. Try this left one. Drop it. So they both were struggling, but was one worse than the other? The left one? You think so? Okay. Here's you don't know. Well, we're gonna see if we can't make both of them. So I'm gonna have you bring your arms a little bit, that way I don't get caught here. So the first thing we're gonna do is a gentle stretch on this low back, okay? You're gonna feel me put some pressure back here, but you should maybe get a few pops out of it. We're gonna manually gap these facet joints. He's also got pain that goes down his right leg. Feel okay? I need some WD-40 on this table. Doing okay? Have you ever had anything like this?
No.
Yeah. So what we're trying to do, we're trying to induce all 6 physiological ranges of motion in these joints. And usually just by doing this will increase height. You can get your legs up. told Mr. Jim that when he walks out here, he's gonna know he was here. In a good way. Alright. Doing okay? You're just along for the ride. Alright. Let's recheck here already. Raise that right leg as high as you can. Drop it. Do the left one. Drop it. So we're moving the right way. That's good. That's good. Alright. Now you're gonna feel like a massage, a deep massage going here. Okay, raise your right leg as high as you can. Drop it. Do it again. Drop it. One more time. Drop it. Good. Okay, let's do the left one. High as you can get it. Drop it. One more time. Drop it. One more time. Drop it. Good. Mr. Jim's a lefty. But we won't hold that against him. They say left-handers are smarter anyway.
I'm smart on the desk job.
Yeah. Well, you know things that I don't know, that's for sure. I guarantee it. Alright, raise that right leg again for me. Drop it. Do the other one. Good. Man, you're going to be doing cartwheels out here.
Oh,
Alright, so you're going to feel a little jackhammer on you. Okay, raise your right leg for me. Drop it. Left one. Drop it. Left one. Drop it. Alright. Okay, doing my bend here. Is that as tight?
Oh, I just thought it was.
That's good. That's good. Okay. You're gonna feel this table pop up. And it's gonna drop like that. We're gonna start on the right side. Doing okay? Okay, here's your tailbone. Here's your left SI joint. Good. Alright, these next three might be a little tender. As the other ones haven't been. Alright, here's L5. You okay? Here's L4. Here's L3. Good. Alright, raise that right leg for me. Drop it. Do the left one. Drop it. Woo! That's good, man. Alright, keep breathing normally. Good. You doing okay? Good. Alright, lay on your back for me. How you making it?
Oh, pretty good.
Yeah? Alright. Okay, let me have it.
Oh my goodness.
Mm-hmm. You were needing that, man.
Oh.
Stay where you are. Now you said you injured this in track when you
This one here.
the right one. Just sprained it.
Fractured it.
No metal in there though.
No, ain't no metal.
Alright. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, relax that for me. Good deal. Alright, I'm gonna help you sit up and you're gonna swing to your left. Perfect. Alright. You doing okay?
Oh yeah.
Alright, look left for me. Look right. Look straight. Go left. Go right. Look straight. Left. Right. Straight. Bend back. Bend back. Okay. Go left. Right. Straight. Good. All right. Good. All right. Go left and go right, and it should feel smooth. Feel pretty good?
Yeah.
Good.
A lot better.
That's awesome, man. All right, now. All right, relax that arm for me. Let it drop. I'm gonna turn it right there. Let this fall a little bit. Good. Okay, let that fall. Let it drop. Good. Relax that elbow. Ever had your wrist adjusted?
Nope. First time.
Okay, relax there.
Never did this in UC.
Perfect. Yeah, so good. Alright, now come on over here. This is what you came for, man.
Yes.
Sit right here. And you're gonna lay on your back. Perfect. I'm gonna have you scoot down a tad bit. Up a little bit. Up a little bit. Perfect. Right there. Now just let your legs bend naturally as this thing comes up. So yeah, this is how you should sleep. Legs elevated, no pillow, flat on your back. Because you can kind of tell how that takes pressure off that low back with your leg kind of elevated. Alright. So this is going to be tight, so you can't run away. That's not bad. Good. So you're going to just rest your hands right there. So, I'm gonna wrap this around here. Now I want you to keep your teeth together. And when I tell you to, I want you to blow out through your nose, okay? Give me a big deep breath out through your nose. Now how far did you feel that?
All the way down.
All the way down. Alright. Yeah, keep breathing. Look at those reflexes, man. That's a crazy feeling. Now, when you get off this table, you're gonna feel lighter, and taller. All right, I'm gonna help you sit up here. Take your time.
Oh.
Alright, now, gather yourself. So what did it feel like? Did it feel like, I kind of explained it to you, but it's hard to explain until you get it done.
Much back pain I have, that sharp, and just, you felt it pull.
Yeah.
And it's straight.
Yeah, that's right. So like you might get a little sore 24 to 48 hours, ice, water, staying kind of movement, not just sitting down will help. How would you compare this to other chiropractic stuff?
This is 100% more than getting a little massage and
cool
stuff.
Yeah. Well, so, we just decompressed your entire spine for the first time ever, right? And every time...
48 years.
48 years, that's right. From football, from work, from life. So it's a cool feeling, and every time you get it done, it'll be smoother. First time we're breaking up fibrotic adhesion, scar tissues, that sort of thing. But, man, thanks for letting us video you, and we hope that we're going to put you on the Normatec now and let that circulation kind of help you. But if you need a good chiropractor, we'd love to help you out. 731-736-4200 or go online at chiroplusjackson.com. Thank you.